Okay, this is the blizzard of 2010. Got about 3 feet of snow, 28 inches a few days ago. Then we had a 2-day break. We had another foot come in. This is the walkway to my front door. I have been shoveling. So, walk down this. You can see the drifts up on the roof there, way over the window. And the windows aren't even flush with the porch. Big icicles have been knocking off. Temperature's about 25 degrees, 24. They're saying this is going to stop soon. But this is how things look. Birds have been happy, feasting. It's been a phase 3 emergency declared by the mayor. No cars are allowed on the streets except for emergency vehicles. And here's the big drift. See, there's some nasty stuff up there, which I hope doesn't make the roof collapse. Normally there's a walkway there. Normally there's a wall over there. You can kind of see right there, but everything's buried.